Hello guys, we have a tub with full of amazing toys. As you can see, wow, so many different type of toys, so many toys. So guys, I will show you all my toys. Let's start guys. Let's start. Here we have a truck. Look at this guys. Wow, a dump truck, big size dump truck, 6-wheeler truck. Wow. And guys, here we have a colorful scooter, beautiful scooter with amazing colors. And guys, next one is a bike, a small size bike. Look at this beautiful color, beautiful design, amazing. And guys, here we have a jeep. Wow, look at this. This is a green color jeep with amazing colors, with amazing design. Look at this. Wow, beautiful vehicle guys. And the next one is a rat. Wow, beautiful guys. Look at this. Beautiful rat. And here we have a cycle. Wow, beautiful cycle guys. A man is driving this cycle. And now we have a tractor over here. Wow, look at this guys. This is a big size tractor. Look at the design. Wow, a real looking tractor. And guys, next one is a gun. Look at this. This is a beautiful gun, black color gun guys. Amazing design gun. And guys, next one is a ATV bike. Wow, big size tire, big size tire. Look at this guys, amazing design, amazing color, ATV bike. And the next one is a Jcb Crane guys. Wow, look at this. This is a Jcb Crane. As you can see, two-sided crane guys. Wow, amazing. And the next one is a funny car guys. Wow, a small size car, only 2 people can sit into this. Whoa, look at the design, beautiful and amazing. And this one is a gun. Crazy gun guys. And the next one is a cement mixer truck. Wow, look at this guys, beautiful cement mixer truck. Amazing design, amazing color. And here we have a 3-wheeler bike. Look at this guys. This is a big size tire, 3-wheeler bike. Wow, amazing guys, so beautiful. And the last one is a gun guys. Look at this. So guys, you have seen all my toys. If you liked all the toys, then like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.